Top 7 answers on the board. You can tell someone watches a lot of Family Feud if they pet Parrot keeps saying what?
Good answer.
Good answer.
What?
What? What?
We're gonna play.
All right. Tell somebody watch a lot of Family Feud, their pet Parrot keeps saying what?
Fast money.
Fast money. Tell somebody watch a lot of Family Feud, as their parrot keeps saying what?
Steve Harvey.
Steve Harvey. Alice, you can tell your parrot watch a lot of Family Feud, it keeps saying what?
Survey says.
Survey says. Hey, Brooke, you can tell to watch Family Feud if your parrot keeps saying what?
Family Feud.
Family Feud. We got 2 strikes. You got to be careful. Carter, family can steal. You can tell you watch a lot of Family Feud if your parrot keeps saying what?
Let's play the feud.
Let's play the feud. You can tell someone watches a lot of Family Feud if they pet parrot keeps saying what?
We're gonna play.
We're gonna play. Number 7. $20,000. 6. Name something. 5. Show me. 2.